video, we will do this question 2 whole 1 over 4 multiply 6 whole 2 over 5. Multiplying mixed numbers, mixed fractions. So first of all, 2 multiply with 4. This is 8. 2 4s are 8 plus this one. Okay, over 4. Multiply sign. 6 multiply 5. This is 30 plus 2. 6 5s are 30 plus 2 over 5. Now this is 9 over 4. Multiply. This is 32 over 5. So now you can first simplify if possible. Otherwise you have to multiply numerator of one fraction with another numerator. Means this multiply with this and this multiply with this. But first of all, we will try to simplify it. Like 4 cannot be divisible of 9 or 5 cannot be divisible of 32. So we have to cross cut. 4 8s are. Okay. Now we have 9 over 1 multiply 8 over 5. So next is 9 multiply with 8. This is 72. 72. 9 8s are 72 over 5. Now this is numerator 72 or denominator is 5. So we have to do further 72 5 1s are 5. 7 negative 5 is 2. 2 will be dropped down to 22. 5 4s are 20. So this is 2. Now you can write this answer in mixed number. How? This is 14 whole 2 over 5. This is answer. When you multiply it, your answer again 72 over 5. This is the way you can solve mixed numbers. Multiply the mixed fractions, mixed numbers. And answer is 14 whole 2 over 5. Hope so you got the idea. If you have any problem, you can comment under the video. If you find this video is useful for you, please like this video, subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.